If you feel like everyone has life figured out, except you, this is for you. My name is Nick, and right now I'm lost. Not falling apart, just quietly stuck. No familiar faces, and a lot of unanswered questions. Over the last 7 months, I walked away from my old life. Some friendships faded, some I let go of, some let go of me. I quit drinking. Not because I hit rock bottom, I was the happy drunk. If I had one, I needed 10. So I chose clarity. I started therapy. The gym became my safe place. I've lost over 70 pounds. I lost old habits. And I found strength, mentally and physically. Now I'm flying to London. For the first time, I'm taking my mom. It's her birthday month, and she's never been to London before. This trip is my way of saying thank you for everything. I don't have it all figured out, but I'm sober, I'm stronger, I'm rebuilding. And for the first time in a long time, I feel like I'm on the right path. I just ordered a grilled chicken sandwich. I replaced the bun with lettuce. I'm really near my gate. I can see the gate from here. I'm just gonna pass out on the plane. Coke Zero. Yeah, really excited about this trip. So I packed my own snacks. This has 3 grams of sugar and 130 calories a bag, which is not bad compared to all the other gummies and stuff. And then I try to avoid eating anything food-wise. I don't remember the last time I ate on a flight, but I usually avoid it. And I had got a coffee from Pete's, just an iced latte with no sweetener. Yeah. Cheers. I'm also recording on a different setting. Hopefully this is better than the last one. Hi. This is the Airbnb. It's currently a mess, but that's the entryway. There's a lot of books on there. There's a bedroom, which you saw me earlier on the right side, and there's a bathroom. It's pretty cool. And then I have a kitchen there, and this is like a desk space. Don't worry about all the mess I created. You never had Indian chai before, you're missing out. My mom just made me a chai. It's currently like 6 in the morning. But here, let's do a taste test. Really good. It's delicious. This is so good. Did you put sugar in this? Mm-mm. I need to go take a nap this afternoon because I have to work later. But I think I'm just gonna have a cup of coffee and then go to Barry's boot camp. And I'm debating between doing their running and lifting class or just the lift class. I want to go back to running, but I think today I'm just gonna take it easy and just do a lift class. I think it's arm and abs focus, which is great. But yeah. Cheers. Oh, so walking back to my Airbnb, and I think it's a little windy, but it's not that cold. I think it's about 50 degrees. And it's not supposed to rain today, which is awesome. So I might get my mom iced latte from Blind Coffee. Ow, it's cold. I'm just a lucky guy. Been lucky all my life. So I was here almost like 6 months ago, and I remember this area because I was at the same Soho area. We are about to go get lunch, restaurant, some Michelin star. see if we can get in.
Feel me? Yeah, yeah. She my peanut butter jelly snack. Pull it, ride, rushy, painting. That's my sunshine when it's raining. That's my boo, yeah, yeah. When I'm all alone, she pull through. So when I catch that wave, we gon' move. But then again, we probably won't. Cause I know she like to stay at home. And she probably gon' shoot me dead before the devil try to take my soul. Yeah, I call that love TKO. This thing here way too cold. We gon' shine like a pot of gold. If you didn't know, now you know. Feel me? Don't ask me how I been, how I do. Please don't bring your phones, they not cool, yeah. When you on the way, make that move. In case they didn't know, that's my boo, yeah, that's boo. Don't ask me how I been, how I do. Please don't bring your friends, they not cool. When you on the way, make that move. In case they didn't know, that's my boo, yeah, that's boo. Yeah, bro said don't get too involved. Up in school, I'm about to hit the road. Yeah, man, I'm about to see it all. But one day we gon' see it all. If I said, then I mean it.
I stepped out to a cafe because I needed space. I've been on my own since I was 16, 17 because I left for college and alone became my normal. Even now, traveling with my mom, that instant's still there. The quiet can make me anxious, like I'm not used to letting myself fully relax around anyone, even the person who loves me the most. So I walked for a bit, took a breath, and let the city hold me. Later, back at the Airbnb with my mom again, I realized something. Learning how to be close after a lifetime of being independent is its own kind of healing.